right, let's go.
All right, we got one more contestant.
Oh, okay.
Move up. Hey, scoot up.
Oh. I thought he was going through that one. What happened to your four-wheel drive?
Oh, I snapped an axle.
Did you? Oh yeah, that one right there is spinning. Shake it.
It's broken, looking at it.
You see it? God dang! Fucking Hondas. All right, let me pull you. Let me pull you out. It's because the tires are too big, I think. Too much angle, buddy. That sucks. Let me pull you out, buddy. Watch out. Back up. Go in, hook up. Woo! Hey, it don't mean you still can't have fun though. Was that the same axle or no?
No.
What's up? Oh, okay. We'll get it out. The T-Rex?
Oh, no.
We got it. We got it. You ready?
Oh, God. Go ahead.
No, man, you still got fun. You just get to goose it a little more in two-wheel drive. Oh, shit. Is he good?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, god dang.
You alright?
Holy wait. Let's go. We're good. Todo bien. Todo bien. Todo bien. You can't do nothing.
Huh?
You're bottomed out. Where do you mean pull from? You pull from your...
Oh, yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Bottom down that Honda road.
Oh, I got a booty bite. You mean hook onto your winch or you mean use my strap? Okay.
I didn't know it was like that.
Yeah. Go ahead.
I don't want to get dirty.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
Let's see if he's gonna back out or not. crazy.
That way any better? Yeah, a little bit.
You can make it. It's deeper, but you're not gonna bottom out like that. You're good. Oh, pull me down a little bit. You're good. Pull me down. Woo! Whoa! Hold on, buddy. Grab him.
Carlos, I'm supposed to be open.
What? I'm recording. I'm documenting.
Back up.
Right, come on. Come forward. Come on.
Back up.
No, forward. Come on. I got you. Oh, hold on. Oh, your four-wheel drive's not on.
No, I didn't want to throw in your face.
No, it's fine. You're good.
Why is that one not?
There it goes.
Wait, do you have a person?
Yeah, we'll tiger tail him. Bring it around. We'll tiger tail you out. Wait right there. Woo!
She said this hole was better.
Hold on. Your axles are getting a little crazy. Let me just pull you out.
Look into the wind. You got it?
Yep. Slow. Don't pull hard.
Alright.
To get it tight first. Hold on. Okay, just give it a little yes. He just needs a little bit. Oh. All right, go ahead. There we go. Beautiful.
Top end just need to stay down.
Yeah, that's what it is most times. Reel your winching
Out.
in. A little more. There.
Yeah. I didn't know what was going on.
Woo! Good job, buddy.
Still axles up there? What's that?
They might show axles.
That little one.
There's a trail to the left you can take. Breaking axle doing that. Yeah, hey, pull forward. Go with it. There you go. Pick your poison, buddy. I haven't seen any hills in a while. Just saying.
Darn it.
That sucks. There you go, Mr. Young.
I wasn't able to get down to that big stuff right there. It kind of hit my fender right.
Oh, I got you. there. Oh! Oh! Whoa! 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 Damn it, Sergio! That wasn't even a hill this time. That wasn't a hill.
No, that was a fucking stop.
Why'd you go that way?
Go ahead, press again. All right, ready?
Híjole,
Wait a
way.
minute, I'm on the stump now, because that's what got me flipped over.
Let me see. Can you see the stump? How is it? Damn, Serge.
That's 2. 1 a day, right? That's my max.
Whoa, whoa.
Told you, getting crazier and crazier with these tires. What's the gas, somebody?
You got it? Why didn't you just go that way? That was easier. Yeah. Ay, way. Your camera got a little blood on it now.
Clean it?
You have clean hands?
It don't matter.
It might be out of the way.
But it's on the lower, on the bottom.
How's my camera look?
No,
Go that way. Yeah. My camera look alright?
yeah.
Okay. We get everybody across over there?
That's 2 times. That's 2 times, man. One a day.
Dang, buddy. Like I said, that wasn't the hill's fault this time.
And you know what? I didn't think it was a stump. I thought it was just like a log just stuck in there.
What happened to me, I went through there and then the stump kind of got my fender, so I backed out.
I didn't even notice it. Did you see Sergio roll?
Whoa!
And you too?
I'm like a gazelle.
I looked over just in time and he was
I landed like this with my feet and hands up in the air.
I was like, Sergio, watch out for the.
it was soft landing.
Yeah.
Hey, you didn't look like the soccer players, so anyway, we're
Oh.